Holy moly. I've been having a time. I really want to tell you about it, but just first I have to give you some backstory. So I have a 5-year-old and a 10-year-old, and this last month, my 5-year-old all of a sudden, out of nowhere, started putting things in the toilet. Now, we have a snake, one of those drain snakes that you're supposed to twist and whatever. It's supposed to magically unclog the toilets. It didn't work. So my husband and I are almost having panic attacks thinking about how much it's going to cost to have a plumber come on a weekend, and I just don't want to share my bathroom with 2 kids. So long story short, the family friend we called told us different things we can do and try, and that the snakes never work, and that he's had to do this for my sister's house multiple times, and every single time, you know what they did? They had to get a new wax seal and basically take the toilet off and get the toy out from the bottom end of the toilet. So we ended up doing that. We ended up discovering that the ring that goes around the base of the toilet also was rusted, so that had to be replaced too. Anyway, we ended up fixing it. We found the toy. It was a little car. Thank goodness we got it. Everything was fine, and it cost us about $40.